Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Facebook Messenger on PC or laptop. If you're using any PC or any laptop and you want to use Facebook Messenger, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser, and now in your browser just open Facebook. And once you have opened Facebook, you must see a messenger icon in the top right section here. Just click on messenger. And here you'll see all of your chats, your groups, your communities you have in your Facebook Messenger. I have only a single chat here, so I'm gonna chat with them. Just click on this, or you can also click on see all in Messenger to get different Messenger here. Now you just have to send a message. You can also record a voice clip. You can add your photos from your album up to 100 megabyte. You can add different stickers and gifs from here. You can send a like, or you can also choose emojis from here. So let's say I'm gonna add a message here. And once you have done, just click on the save icon here or the send icon here, and your message will be sent. You can also try to record a voice clip. Very first, you have to allow Facebook to use your microphone. So you can select allow while visiting the site. You can also try to allow this time. And once you have done, it will record your voice clip and just click on the send icon and your voice clip will be sent. So in this way, you can easily use Facebook Messenger on your PC or in your laptop. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.